Good morning, students. Here again we are going to meet, and today we are start our new uh, point, that is a product life cycle. Product life cycle, according to Philip Kotler, product is a heart of our marketing. So it is very much essential for marketing, and even in his principle of marketing he wrote that the product life cycle has a 5 stages that I shown in next slide, where the management emphasis on the marketing mix element also undergoes substantial changes from stage to stage. Every product have a different still life stages. Each stages indicate the how the product work in market. So every market manager must have to study this product life cycle deeply, because according to product life cycle he must have to change his different strategies. So let's see the our diagram. Here is the diagram, that is, here is the diagram. Here you are going to show that different kinds of product life cycles. See here, you are, if you are seeing here, in x-axis you are seeing that the sales and profit, and in y-axis you see the time lapse. So sales and profit indicate in rupees, and times are shown in different kinds of periods. There are 4 bars are shown here. The first is a introduction, second is a growth, third is a maturity, fourth is a decline, and last is a abdominant page. So here you are going to see the 2 curves. See, here is the curve. This curve is shown that how this product sale is started from his introductory stage, which have little bit take growth in second phase. Even after then in maturity phase he will be matured. If you are going to see, there are difference between profit and sales. See that introductory stage, here are again a second curve show the profit. So in between sales and the second curve, that is a profit, you are shown that the product's grown stage. After maturity stage there is a decline stage, and then product decline from market and slowly is abandonment. So this is our diagram. So deeply we will study our next stage, that is introductory stage. Introductory stage of product is the first product stage of our product life cycle. It is very important in our product life cycle, because it begin when the company find develop a new product ideas. Here are the every company is started the innovate their product from different idea. During production now, sales are zero and company investment cost is increases. Here are what I say ki, development sales are zero, because a product is grown, product's idea is started to innovate itself. So fire some idea or sales is at zero, because their investment cost is increases. Our R&D department develop the product concept into physical product. Means when it's is in paperwork, they are start to working practically. Means paperwork idea are converted into practical work. So R&D department hope that the design of every product will satisfy the excited customer. Even customer will be satisfied with the product. So they are start to designing product that will satisfy the existing or excited consumer. Even product are tested under laboratories and field conditions to make sure that the product performs safely and effectively. I here mention one example. Before product launch in market, they are start to given as a free small packet of each product from with their existing product. So they are start to take the feedback from customer how's their new product is. Even they are start to make familiar consumer with their new product. So I mention here one example, that is Jio Mobile. Jio, when Jio started their new mobile company, they are given free to each and every consumer. After some time of period, they are make charges for their new product. So they, what they are doing, they have started to let habitual people with the product. This is one kind of product strategy where every R&D department or manufacturer must have to freely given their product, and which help to habitual consumer, and it will increase their sales too. At this stage there is no marketing strategy, so production development is a time consuming stage. So it is one kind of time consuming stage where actually product is start to innovate and introduce into the market. Here I mentioned some points, that is advertisement and publicity of the product. Money back guarantee may be offered to stimulate the people try the product. So before I mentioned that the Geo Mobile example, this is one kind of example that they offer their free product to public, so it will help to stimulate people to try their product. Even sometime they are given attractive gifts to consumer. Even sometimes they introduce a price of, means they are offer discount to the consumer. Sometimes discount is offered for dealers too, so dealers are attracted towards that product and they are able to sell into the market. So high price of product earn greater profit during the initial stage, means initial stage every product is offered by high price, so it will be help to started a gain great profit. So it's one kind of skimming price strategy. Earlier I mentioned two pricing strategy. One kind of price strategy is skimming price strategy. So these are the introductory stage of our product. Let's start with the next stage, that is the growth stage. Here you see growth stage is a second stage in life cycle of product, where product is known to the consumer and it is accepted by market. Means once we introduce our product in market, it will be well known to our customer. So naturally the demand and market sales are increases. So along with growth stage, the cost of production and promotional expenses will fall down gradually. So when our product grow, our expenses and production cost of productions fall gradually. So it helps to increase our profit. So it is resulted that the firms or manufacturer get more and more profit from the product. So due to market demand and profit intensive, new frames will enter in the market. So it will help to modify our product. Competition is increased at the same time. The competition will increase. So firm never enter the industry and market. So it will have a simple approach, that try my product to buy my product. Means manufacturer change his policy to try my product to buy my product. So for this growth strategy they have some strategies involved, that is product improvement. So product improvement mean over a large share of market. If the product is improved and introduced again in market, it help to grab the market. Second thing is the penetrate pricing strategy. In after growth stage, means before I mentioned that every manufacturer accepts skimming price strategy, but in growth stage they must have to adopt penetrate pricing strategy, actually, which help to maintain a strong competition with our competitors. Even the sales promotion techniques may be used to improve our sales. Different kinds of sales techniques used for selling with our product. Even the firm will improve upon its channel of distribution. Means the channel of distribution, they are trying the new channel of distributions in replace of old channel, and to remove consumer complaints. Means sometime if there is any complaint, they are try to channel of distribution set new, which help to remove complaints of our consumers. So These are the growth strategy which is actually very important, because in growth strategy our the manufacturers start to gain more profit because the product is already settled in a market. The brand image of the product is created through promotional activities, so it helps to create image in eye of consumer, and it is essential that every consumer must familiar with their product. Even price competitive, the price of product is competitive compared to our competitor. So um, one thing I have to mention here, every consumer manufacturer provide their service, customer service to the towards the product. So sales after service impacted in a this stage where they gain the faith of consumer, which is help to increase their sales. Public relations is impacted a greater sales or increase the sales profit volume in a growth product life cycle, because if you maintain good public relationship, it will help to increase our sales and indirectly we gain our profits. So this is our second stage, growth stage. Let's start with next, maturity stage. Maturity stage is the third stage of product life cycle, where the product is established in the market, but the competitors are also more with identical product, and naturally the profit turn into decline stage. Means here in maturity stage different kinds of competitors are enter in market and they start to introduce their products same like us, so it will help to increase their sales, and it is one kind of enter in a decline stage. So entry in the new market and promotional sales in the existing market is rather difficult due to market competitions. So the firm will have to introduce new product. Here every company or every manufacturer introduce new product, because in this stage they actually grab the market, their promotional expenses are less, so here they have to introduce their new product for selling in the market. So the firm will have to find new markets. In addition, they will have to study what actually want consumer from their manufacturer, and they also study the different strategies of competitor to adjust the production and marketing activities to grab the market. Here are some points are included in maturity stage. The first one is product modification. Product modification is very important. Modification innovations is most impact, create impact on consumer, because every consumer wants something new from their product. So if we modify our product, it will improve upon the existing product and it help to increase our sales volume. Even most of firms is continue with penetrate pricing strategy, and they use different kinds of sales techniques. Even the firms may concentrate on specific market segments that are profitable. There are some markets, they are small but they are big, their turnover is big. So these manufacturers focus in this specific market where they grab the market and also increase their sales. Sometimes some firms are increase their advertising budget to help to increase their sales. So maturity stage where the actual uh, product is grab the market, and they are in this stage where they introduce their new product also. Here are the warranty period may be extended. Okay, so some manufacturer of TV or television set or automobile sets have introduced the concept of lifetime warranty. Means here are manufacturer try to attract or try to attach with their consumer, so they does not want to disturb their consumer with the providing different services. They try to consumer should have to connect with them. Even the packaging, different kinds of packaging they are going to introduce. They are introduce new product, they are introduce new kind of um, sales after service. So here are the maturity stage where the competitors must have to grab their market. So every manufacturer or marketing manager must have to change their pricing strategy, their promotional strategies, and they have to connect with the consumer. Next stage is decline stage. See, this is the last stage of a product life cycle. Decline stage is the stage where the competitors enter with new product and try to capture market. So it will result it to start decline existing product. Consumer does not have attraction for the product of company because other better product they are actually available in our market. I am mention a example of mobile handset mobile. Okay, there are so many companies, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, iPhones. So these companies are always in competition in market. So uh, when you see one mobile is introduced some kind of functions in a advertisement, after some days this another company introduce same function in their mobile, another company introduce same function in their mobile. Means this is a strategy where every company want to compete with other competitors, so they are going to introduce different product in market with different price avail. So it will be have to reject the product as they try it as a old and outdated product. So this is how the decline stage start. The specific efforts are necessary at this stage, following which the firm will have to go out market with a short period. So every manufacturer must have to replace their existing product with improve new product, or they have to loss making brand may be withdrawn from the market. Means some manufacturer must withdraw their product from market and later they introduce market a new product. Even some manufacturer try to reduce the price of the product also, and the firm may become economical on expenses. So these are the strategies used in our decline stage, because here the product is already decline in market and new product will be introduced. So these are the four stages of our product life cycle, where we learn about the introductory stage, growth stage, maturity stage and decline stage. I hope you all understand it very well, students. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and click on bell icon to get my new video. Thank you.